I'm dropping a bombo. Chair, shots, gun, we're ready. Ooh. I've seen a few birdies. Yeah, just see a little flock. Oh. Guys, can we just take time to appreciate how beautiful it is outdoors? Nature. I love this shit. Seen a lot of white wings flying at the top of the tree line. Oh. Yo! Come now, 4 bird dropping now. Too far. Fuck! You saw that one drop, Pumpy? Go on now, run to him, man. Fuck. Fuck. Guys, that spun me around like a fucking gig. Cannot believe that. I don't know. Oh, when I shoot like this. Drop. 2 drop. Yeah. Who can come get that one there? Where there? Fine. Lord clot. No. Brother. I'm dropping a bombo. Fuck. Alright. Alright, squad. So we've been wasting shots, firing all 3 shots off that bird I missed. So I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna try. Yeah. Bombo, watch them flocker come. Whoa. Yes. Bird. Yeah. Sure, see him get fucking touch again. I'm not getting. Power up this. Yeah. Helicopter. You come back with bird? You find the second one? One just dropped a while ago. Okay. How much they on right now? Mind that. Mark, which part? Gotcha. Mr. Wayne, I just got one of your birds. Yeah, he was alive, so I caught him and killed him for you. Oi. Yeah. Oi. Let's look at the hill. It's crazy. So tired. Nature is crazy. Look at that. Crazy. Gwan Squad. Third weekend is over. We had 3 good shoots. Bag, and 14. Yeah, had a great fucking time. I was not shooting good this weekend, but birds were there, so that's all that matters. But I hope I shoot better next weekend. Trying somewhere new, a new place, so that was nice. Yeah, so I'm just driving back now. I don't know if there's much else to do today. I'm gonna go watch my new game. Hopefully not get humiliated by Arsenal, because Richie is the biggest Arsenal fan. So the group chat going to be annoying as fuck. Good luck, man. Guys, I'm a really young member of this place. Everyone's a lot older, and they always shit on the videos. I just like to fuck around with them. It's a great, I love PWD for the camaraderie, the food, the birds, and the outdoors lifestyles. I mean, like, I can go to the beach, I can go walking through the hills, I can go on a hike, I can go on a hunt, I'm going to shoot. Actually, I want to go like low-key, I'm scared AF, but we're going to book a big one. I'd like to go maybe try catch some small crocodiles. That'd be fun. Not for killing or anything. Not for anything really, just for fun. Not to harm them. Try to catch some with some rope and thing. Just rest it a little and let it go. And run away.
Cherry,
Fresh
Cherry,
bird.
no, we are talking about we are cook bird. Cherry, our crew we are talking about.
Everybody contribute, like we only got 5 birds.
Yo, Lee, respect. Gwan Squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.